What's your message to foreigners who got scammed by a Filipina online? Should they give Filipinas second chance? And is visiting the Philippines in person a better option, and why? If a foreigner visits the Philippines and asks you out on a date, would you be too shy to say yes or no?
Personally, I have no boyfriend, so maybe that's the reason why I'm scared to, because I'm studying and my parents is strict, so that's why.
What's your message to foreigners who got scammed by a Filipina online?
Well, I think it's a very common thing now since we're surrounded by the uh, popularity of the internet. It's a very common thing, and I guess my message to the foreigners who got scammed online is to always be like aware and always be careful when it comes to interacting with other people, especially those who are strangers or new to them. Since we don't know, we really don't know who's nice and who's good. Yeah, who's honest. And especially now that um there's this there's this article that's circulating online about uh certain afam who got scammed, and then there's also the news about uh this foreigner guy who went to Tulfo apparently because his last money was scammed by a Filipina, and that's only few examples of certain issues regarding what your topic is all about.
Is visiting the Philippines in person a better option, and why? To avoid him being scammed by Filipinas.
Regardless whether you're visiting or not, if you're easily fooled, then you will be fooled. That's it.
Okay. So what should they do to avoid these scammers?
Uh, few things, I guess. The main thing that we can they can do is verify that verify the person that they are talking to first and foremost, because that's one of the important things, especially when they're talking to someone and then that someone doesn't even show his or her face.
Yeah.
what's the assurance of uh what's the assurance of talking to that person every day and then sending that particular person large amount of monies, and then it turned out to be a scam after all.
Wow. Okay. If a foreigner visits the Philippines and asks you out on a date, would you be too shy to say yes or no?
It depends. Actually, first impression matters to me the most. When that person is physically attractive, I might say yes. Well, because I guess like physical attraction is important because you get to see that person every day. Yeah.
Okay, I remember, like, for example, you went inside this restaurant. When you see the food, like, how do you say it? Like, you weren't able to taste it, but it, like, do you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah. There's like a spark in your eyes when you see the food, and then if you relate it to what we are talking about, yeah,
Yes.
that makes sense.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Okay. Anyway, what is the best way for a foreigner to approach you in public if he's interested?
I'll just say hi. A simple like greeting. Oh hey, I will respond. It's one of the ways to be polite. Yeah, just say
Saying
hi.
hi and have a conversation, right?
Good conversation, of course. No, no, like because there's many instances where like they say hi and then straight into the dirty talks. No.
What's your message to foreigners who got scammed by a Filipina online?
First, I would like to tell or to say to all foreigners that not all Filipina are scammer. Yes. So do not hesitate to choose or to love Filipina because not all Filipina are scammer.
That's true. Not
Yes.
everyone is a scammer.
And also be mindful next time.
Be mindful. I like that one.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes.
Is visiting the Philippines in person a better option and why?
Visiting Philippines is one of the most beautiful and relaxing place in this world. So you can try to visit here and to see the beautiful places and tourist spot.
Oh, okay. Do you think visiting the Philippines in person is better to avoid, scammers or to avoid being scammed by Filipinas online?
Yes. Yes, visiting here to for for you or for us the foreigners to see the beautiful or the beauty of this place that not all Filipinos or Filipina are scammers. So you can have assurance that not all people in these Philippines are scammer.
Yes, to have an assurance.
Yes.
Okay, okay. If a foreigner visits the Philippines and asks you out on a date, would you be too shy to say yes or no?
May for me it depends on how he ano
He asked.
he asked me. Yes, it depends, but it may be yes or no. It depends.
What do you mean it depends? Like in or okay, okay. What do you mean by it depends? Like what kind of situation or how he should ask you?
Personally, I have no boyfriend, so maybe that's the reason why I'm scared to. But because I'm studying and my parents is strict, so that's why.
Don't be scared. They're not going to put you in their inside their bag and then bring you to bring you somewhere else.
Yes, I'm open. I'm willing.
Okay. So it's a yes, right?
Yes, it's a yes. Because my auntie had a husband, a foreigner, and now they are having one daughter. That's why not and she always say me that foreigners are sweet. Yeah.
Yes, they are. If Filipinos are sweet, there are also foreigners who are sweet. My husband is very sweet person. He never forgets to give me flowers when there's occasion, birthdays, anniversaries, like that. My husband never fails me to give that. That's very I don't know how to say that, but it's a big deal for me. Like
Yeah.
I feel like wow, I feel beautiful, I feel loved like that. Yeah, that's true. They're very sweet.
They're very sweet. Because my auntie, she always send me a picture when her husband give her a chocolate, a gift, and a flower. That's why
Yes.
I can say that foreigner are sweet.
Exactly. Flowers and chocolates. We don't really need these expensive gifts, right?
Yes.
Flowers and chocolates, they're the best. The best. What is your message to foreigners who got scammed by a Filipina online?
I think they should be careful, and also uh
They should.
they should know the basic or the personality of the person they were talking to.
And they should know the personality of the Filipina. Okay. Should they give Filipinas second chance? And is visiting the Philippines in person a better option and why?
Yes,
Okay. Yes, what?
because
Yes, come here. Yes,
uh,
she's very shy, guys. Because
because there are still a lot of Filipino who is kind and uh uh kind and
not scammer.
yes,
Okay.
and visiting Philippines is uh as we all know that this place is there are this place have a lot of beautiful places that you can stress free.
Oh, there are places that are stress free here in the Philippines. But do you think they should come here? They should visit the Philippines to avoid being scammed?
Yes.
So you believe that they should come here, they should visit in person, right?
Yes.
Okay, just to make things clear. Okay, if a foreigner visits the Philippines and asks you out on a date, would you be too shy to say yes or no?
For me, I ano, I dare not to accept their ano, because
Why?
as a Filipina, I want a Filipino po.
Oh, I see. So you also want to have a Filipino partner.
Yes.
Okay, I see. Well, we respect that, right? We respect that. Okay. Well, anyway, are you single or in a relationship? I'm just curious.
Still single
How long have you been single?
since birth.
And how old are you now?
19.
You're 19. May we know what's your course?
Sanitary engineering.
Engineering. That's beautiful. And what year are you now? First year?
Yes.
Well, good luck. We hope you have a better future, a beautiful future. Thank you so much for having this interview as well. Okay?
Yes.
Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And thank you for watching. Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye. Thank you.